everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to log into WhatsApp on your desktop. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to WebTech tutorial if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. To log into WhatsApp Web, you'll need to download WhatsApp Web on your Windows first. After you're done, click the app Open and you'll reach to the page that looks like this. To use WhatsApp on your computer, you'll need to open WhatsApp on your phone first. Tap Open WhatsApp on your mobile device and now tap on the three dots located on the top right. From the options, tap WhatsApp Web. To use WhatsApp Web, you'll need to point your code reader on the screen and you'll be logged into WhatsApp on your desktop. I hope the video was useful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back again with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching. Goodbye till then.